On Tuesday's quiz, you're going to have word problems with inequalities. Here is an example of a word problem. Let's say you have taken 3 quizzes so far with these scores. You want to make sure that you ultimately get an 87 average. Right now, if you added these up, you would get a total amount of points. And then you would divide by 3 to find the average. The average of these 3 turns out to be 85. But you want to pull your overall average up to an 87. The question is, what do you need to score on the next quiz to pull it up to an 87? This is how you do that problem. X is the score that you want to get to be able to pull your overall average up. So this is your wanted score. In order to get an average, you need to add up all of the scores and divide by the number of scores there are. Since there will be 4 scores, you divide by 4. You want to get this average to be at least an 87. The way that you write at least is greater than or equal to.
So do you got your divorce back?
So I'm going to write, this needs to be greater than or equal to 87, okay? Now you need to solve this equation. This is how you solve this equation. 4 is in the denominator, so multiply both sides by 4 in the numerator. So now you're left with 4 times 87, which is 348, and then all of these. Now let's add these together. That's 255 plus x. Now we have an inequality, which is numbers in x. We can solve for x by subtracting both sides with 255. So our answer is that the next score that we get needs to be greater than or equal to 93%.